Chromecast. If you're fortunate enough to own a Chromecast dongle or a smart TV with built-in Chromecast support, casting content from your phone becomes a breeze. Apps like Netflix, Hulu, HBO Max, and Google Photos are natively supported, making the experience even smoother. Same Wi-Fi network. Ensure that your phone and Chromecast device share the same Wi-Fi network for this magic to happen. Casting bliss. To cast, simply tap the square-shaped cast icon within compatible apps, choose your device, and watch the content unfold on the big screen. It's the ideal option for apps with copyrighted content, as screen mirroring might not work for these other devices. While Apple TV doesn't work with Google Cast, some Fire TV and Roku devices support it, so check compatibility with your specific device. Connect to Google Home app. Start by connecting your Android device to the Google Home app. Once that's done, select your target device within the app. Cast your screen. Tap the Cast My Screen button to mirror your phone screen on the TV. It's perfect for showing off your own content or apps without official casting support. Manufacturer variations. The availability of screen mirroring varies by manufacturer. Some phones have a cast button in the settings or the pull-down settings shade. Samsung offers Smart View, while Pixel phones have a convenient Google Home shortcut. USB-C to HDMI. If your phone has a USB-C port, grab a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Plug it into your phone, connect an HDMI cable to the adapter, and then link it to your TV. Ensure your phone supports HDMI alt mode for video output. Charging while mirroring. Be mindful that this method consumes your phone's charging port. If you plan to mirror content frequently, consider using an adapter with a charging port to keep your phone powered up. Micro USB to HDMI. For older devices with micro USB ports, a micro USB to HDMI adapter is your solution. Ensure your phone supports MHL for this method to work. Connect your phone to the adapter and then to your TV via HDMI. DLNA support. Most internet-connected TVs support DLNA, allowing you to stream your content. However, be aware that it won't support DRM-protected content, like Netflix. Streaming apps. Apps like Local Cast and All Cast are user-friendly options for streaming your own media to a DLNA device, including smart TVs and consoles. Wi-Fi network. Ensure your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for smooth casting. Quality settings. Some casting apps allow you to adjust video quality. Lowering the quality can improve streaming stability on slower connections. Streaming device updates. Regularly update your Chromecast or streaming device for the latest features and bug fixes. Screen mirroring is a fantastic feature, but it can encounter hiccups. Here's how to troubleshoot common issues. Check compatibility. Ensure your TV supports screen mirroring, and your phone is running a compatible version of Android. Wi-Fi connection. A strong Wi-Fi connection is crucial for screen mirroring. Avoid congested networks for the best experience. Restart devices. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and TV to refresh connections. Update software. Keep your phone's software up to date to access the latest screen mirroring improvements. HDMI alt mode. Verify that your phone supports HDMI alt mode for video output. Battery drain. Using a cable may drain your phone's battery. Invest in an adapter with a charging port for extended use. MHL support. For micro USB to HDMI adapters, confirm that your phone supports MHL. DRM content. DLNA won't support DRM-protected content, so streaming platforms like Netflix might not work. Network stability. To prevent buffering during DLNA streaming, ensure a stable and fast Wi-Fi connection. Plex server. If you're using Plex, make sure your server is running and connected to the internet. Expand your TV connectivity options with these apps. AirScreen. AirScreen is a versatile app that works across various devices, including Android, iOS, and smart TVs. Bubble UPnP. Bubble UPnP is a feature-rich app for DLNA streaming, with support for cloud storage and web content. Miracast. Some Android phones support Miracast, an alternative to screen mirroring. Check your phone's compatibility. As technology evolves, consider future-proofing your setup. 5G connectivity. With the rollout of 5G networks, explore options for wireless casting at higher speeds. HDMI 2.1. Look for TVs and adapters that support HDMI 2.1 for improved video quality and faster refresh rates. Smart TV features. Invest in a smart TV with built-in casting capabilities for a seamless experience. App permissions. Review app permissions to control what your TV can access on your phone. Privacy mode. Some casting apps offer privacy modes to hide notifications and sensitive content. With a compatible controller and a fast Wi-Fi connection, you can transform your TV into a gaming console. Game streaming. Services like Google Stadia and Xbox Cloud Gaming, formerly Project xCloud, allow you to play console-quality games on your TV by streaming them from the cloud. Local multiplayer. Enjoy multiplayer mobile games with friends and family on a larger screen. Many mobile games support local multiplayer via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Emulators. Play retro games using emulator apps on your phone and cast them to the TV for a nostalgic gaming experience. Wireless presentations. Use your TV as a wireless presentation screen during meetings or presentations. Apps like Microsoft PowerPoint support wireless casting. Video conferencing. Host video conferences on a larger display for a more immersive experience. Popular video conferencing apps often support casting. Collaborative work. Collaborate with colleagues or classmates by mirroring your phone's screen for group work and brainstorming sessions. Media streaming. Stream movies, TV shows, and videos from your phone's storage or cloud services to your TV for a cinematic experience. Music playback. Cast music from your favorite music apps to enjoy high-quality audio through your TV's speakers. Digital photo frame. Display a slideshow of your photos on the TV, turning it into a digital photo frame during gatherings or events. Online courses. Enroll in online courses or watch educational content on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or YouTube on a larger screen. Tutorial follow along. Follow tutorials for cooking, DIY projects, or home workouts with step-by-step instructions displayed prominently on your TV. Language learning. Improve your language skills by watching language learning videos with subtitles on a bigger screen. Kids Corner. Stream children's cartoons and educational content for younger family members. Parental controls can help curate suitable content. Sports enthusiasts. Cast live sports events, replays, or sports analysis from sports apps to enjoy the action on a larger scale. Movie nights. Host movie nights by casting films from streaming apps and create a home theater experience.